Morning, guys. I decided to put some resin on a few 6-inch tiles that I had laid back for a later date. So I got the resin on those. I still have all of those to do, but I decided I wanted to work on this table. It's just a little bitty short stool type table, I think. It's probably about 16 inches tall and it's 18 inches in diameter. But this is just my first coat of what I'm trying to get done. But I've got to cover it up and let it cure for about 6 hours before I can do anything else to it. So today's Monday. It's laundry day. So I guess I better get laundry done and maybe wash a few dogs. Anyways, this is my joy. Now to the day's work. Hope you guys have a wonderful day arting. I'm just going to say peace out to you.